¿Qué dijo?
What you tell mommy?
¿Qué dijo?
I saw you.
¿Qué?
¿No?
Esta es una sorpresa para mí, ¿qué?
No, el helado.
No, el helado.
El helado yo te compré. I
Oye,
bought you ice cream.
sácalo para que no comamos.
Okay. No, tú tienes náusea.
No, porque no. Eso fue que
I
yo comí.
bought ice cream. I was telling mommy not to give you a lot.
Yo no comí, mira, ahí está. Tráelo,
Espera,
tráelo.
mami, espérate. Yo acabo de llegar, espérate.
Yo, I've been coughing a lot.
¿You've been coughing now?
Mhm.
Tú estás mal.
No, pues
Sí.
yo estoy tosiendo mucho. Yo estaba comiendo la pizza y yo estaba tosiendo mucho.
Y entonces.
That's
Como
the-
para el médico y tú quieres.
You scared? You got tested?
But test over.
COVID.
No. What you mean COVID?
You put your mask on around people
No, I've been coughing because remember I told you I was
with
coughing.
the blood.
Yeah, but it was
Oh, you
it coughed a
cough again?
little. It's like light blood, light.
Slushy. Yeah.
Like last time.
You need to go to Athens. Take a day off so you can go with mom.
Okay.
Why do you want to go?
Aquí no hay médico. No hay por aquí, no hay hospital.
Hmm?
No hay hospital aquí. En India.
Why you look panic?
Because you have to go. You want to go tomorrow?
No, I'm here.
You want to go now?
No, I'm not
To
gonna
the
do it.
ER, Anthony. So they could check.
Y cuando.
I brought you pizza, by the way.
I know.
Eat.
You want a jarabe? Want you jarabe?
Yeah. No, I don't want that now, because it was gonna get me sleepy.
It's okay. It's
No,
okay.
I
No,
don't
no puede
want
estar
to.
ligando medicina sin saber
Yeah, I
lo que
don't
él
wanna do
tiene.
that.
Okay, so then in the nighttime.
Mhm.
Él está botando. Let me see.
No, I'm not coughing now. I feel like my face.
It's different.
Whatever. I'm just drink water. And
Saca el helado, amigo.
stuff. Take the ice cream.
Está ahí abajo.
Don't be panic about anything.
You have to tell me.
Abajo.
Mami, yo no sé por qué tú te quieres meter esa vaina ahora.
¿Por qué hacen? ¿Cómo comer helado?
¿Quién te dio esto, Anthony?
¿Cómo que no lo dio? Comprando la pizza, $9.
That ice cream is good though.
Yo no quiero, tú quieres.
Sí, da como un poco.
Sí, no.
Puedes algo por la mañana, sí, mejor por la mañana.
Lo que ella está comiendo con los ojos.
No, es que yo comí esa pizza.
Exactly. So come esa mañana.
Sí, me comí un poco de uva y 2 mandarinas.
I said we should go to the doctor now if you want. You heard?
No,
Sí, era eso, que está
I'm
muy
good.
frío.
Well, before bed, you're gonna take a cucharada.
Alright. That's gonna make me sleepy, that medicine.
Oh, that's okay. Para que tú duermas because you're coughing.
Alright.
And what's your cold? Well, you didn't get a cold.
No, I got my sweater.
¿Tú estás preocupado, Antonio?
Yeah, well, you coughing blood a lot.
Don't worry about it. Go eat ice cream.
Come, muchacho.
If I cough
Él no
blood,
quiere, ella no
Mami,
quiere.
mira, sal.
if I cough blood,
Ah, ¿ya
listen.
dónde la compraste?
En TJ Maxx.
Ay, qué bueno.
Entonces yo compré esta.
If I cough blood, I'm gonna let you know.
Okay.
¿Y esa qué?
Esta Himalaya también sal, right?
Sí, el grano.
Pero no,
¿Y esa molida?
esa es molida y este de grano, pero con picante. Yo la voy a botar.
¿Después que la compraste?
Vaciarla, es por el cosa, yo quería vaciar.
¿Y tú vas a botarla? No, no la botes. Porque
No,
eso es
botar.
sal, claro. No te la...
Yo lo cogí por el pote.
No, y tú no puedes. Ahí por el pote, pero eso es sal. Tú le botas, tú le dices a chiquitica que tú vas a botar chimira y le da el ataque, esa sal. Eso no importa que tenga picante, porque eso es para
Es por el
cocinar.
pote, yo lo cogí
Pero
para
¿cómo vas a
hacer-
usar para cuando vayas a cocinar un chinchón? ¿Qué? ¿Qué, Anthony? ¿Qué es eso?
Anthony. Anthony.
Espérate, ven, vamos, llame.
Anthony.
Espérate, Anthony.
What is going on?
Anthony.
Dame la servilleta más.
Vamos a llamarle a la ambulancia. Anthony, la ambulancia te cubre.
Yeah, don't call now. Don't call now. Hold on. Give me water.
Una muchacha, ¿qué? Una poderosa.
¿Por qué te vas a ir ese mucho así?
Toma.
Oh my God.
Anthony, but why you didn't tell me you was so blood? Why you didn't tell me?
Ven, ya, espérate.
Medicina.
Pero ven acá.
Are you okay? Sit down here. I'm gonna call the ambulance right now.
Don't call now. But
Espérate.
let me clean this up first. Damn, that's a lot though.
Ven. Ve la botella de
Voy a llamar.
No, que lo llame.
Mira,
Oh.
relax.
Will you please, mama?
I know, but
Pero
it's good. I know. It's
Ven,
good.
llámate la mano.
Alright.
No, I'm gonna call right now.
Nita, I have to clean my hand first.
Okay.
Why you give me pain? I know.
Me empezó para otra vez cuando estaba malo, ma. ¿Por qué tú te quedas así?
¿Y qué tú quieres que yo haga que tú hagas huyendo? Que yo estoy haciendo.
You get it more?
Why you give me like that? I know.
Muchacha.
I
¿Te voy a volver
understand.
loca? Vete, Anthony, lávate la mano, tú si te gusta ese show,
Okay,
muchacho.
Oh my God, that's a lot of blood, Anthony. That's a lot of blood.
I know. Hold on.
¿Cómo llamaste a la ambulancia? Mami, él tiene seguro, ma.
Pero yo sé, ¿qué tú quieres que yo haga que tú quieres que la llame?
Everybody, come on. I don't know why you did this. This is just blood.
That's not okay. That's not okay.
That's not okay.
That's not okay, Anthony. That's a lot of blood.
That's alright. What are you gonna do?
Ya.
No. Ya nada más vamos para el hospital. Ma.
¿Te acuerdas lo que tú me
Mami.
Yo, guys. Yo, guys.
Déjame.
Yo, my mom, it was. Yeah, it was a good prank, Mom, right?
Oh.
It was a crazy prank.
Ella me agarró a mí y nosotros la agarramos ahora.
Yes, sir. You already know, guys. You already know what I did to her.
Why you did that, Anthony?
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Sí,
Look at that. Look at this. She was crying, guys. I'm good.
He got me good.
Ay, mi muchachita.
I got you?
Anthony.
I got her, bro. I got her, guys.
Pero tú te quedas igual.
You already know, man. I cough blood, man.
Pero mira mi pelo.
Look at this.
Why you did that?
Yo, you was crying a lot, though.
No, don't do that to me, okay? Give me a hug.
What?
No. No, that reminded me of the last time, Anthony, when you
no.
did.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Don't do that again, okay?
My sister's everything, man. And she was crying. It's crazy. I got her good, guys. In the comment section, let me know. Let me know, guys. I'm saying if I did good. And I'm saying if she realized that was a prank. I don't know, man, but I did pretty good, though. I'm doing pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It was real though. Like the color of the blood's pretty like solid dark red. But if you guys like the video, man, smash the like button, guys. Smash it, man. Be part of the Real Time Squad, man. Like I always gonna tell you guys, we going to the top and nobody's gonna bring us down. You feel me? And be part of the Real Time Squad, man. This journey is gonna be crazy, man. I want you guys to be part of it, man. You know what I'm saying? I want you to be part of it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. The Real Time Squad merch. You know what I'm saying? If you guys haven't copped that, the link is in the description down below, man. Show some love. And yeah, we going to the top. Nobody's gonna bring us down. You already know, man. It's your boy Realtimenelo back with another video where real things happens on my channel. Let's go, let's get it, and let's drop the beat for me. Yes, sir. Peace out, guys. I love you.